In this lesson, we will be doing exercise 3. This is the Cambridge IGCSE 0510 or 0511, English as a Second Language. This is a straightforward question, but we want to do it in a way that is very fast so that you can save time and spend that time on the last two writing questions instead. Welcome to English Step by Step. I am Miss Wee. Today we will be doing the May-June 2024 paper 1-2. This is exercise 3. We're only going to read the title, which is Underground Homes. And then we will go straight to the questions. There are two sections here. For question 8, you have to look for the benefits which make underground homes popular. And for question 9, you have to look for the disadvantages of underground homes. I have highlighted them in different colors because when we look for the points later, we will also highlight them in these colors. Next, we will do some predictive thinking. So we will look for words with positive connotation when we're looking for the benefits. And when we are looking for disadvantages, we will look for words with negative connotation. So when you have an idea of what you're looking for, it makes it a lot faster and a lot easier. So here I have highlighted in green all the words that have positive connotation. For example, attraction, efficient, reduces, damage. Sometimes it's not just one word, it may be a short phrase. Easier, attract, appeals, lack of background noise. So another phrase here. In red are the words with negative connotation. So for example, limited, lack, struggle, unexpected, issue, damage, less favorable. So once I've done that, it's very easy to find the benefits and the disadvantages. So here I have attraction and it says construction costs are low. So my answer is in the same sentence as the keyword. And here the second benefit is that it's energy efficient. The third benefit reduces damage to the landscape. The fourth one, easier to maintain. And the last one, lack of background noise. The question only requires you to give 4 answers. There are 5 here, so just pick 4. Then in red are the disadvantages. Suitable sites are limited, lack interior light, roots can damage the building, and poor air quality. So you can see that the answers are usually in the same sentence as the keywords. So as usual, for any reading questions, we look for keywords, synonyms, and paraphrases. So here we have the answers. Benefits which make underground homes popular. Construction costs are low. Energy efficient. Reduces damage to landscape. Easier to maintain. Lack of background noise. So just write 4 answers. You don't need to write 5 like I have done here. Then we have disadvantages of underground homes. Suitable sites are limited. Lack interior light. Roots can damage the building. Poor air quality. Again, you only need 3, not 4. So the point of doing it this way is so that you only have to read the passage once and you can save a lot of time and the time can be spent on your writing questions. I have made a lot of other videos. Make sure you check them out. If you have questions, drop them in the comment box below. And if you need tutoring, you can contact me here. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you.